Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Christabel here, and today we're watching Sons of Anarchy, Season 1, Episode 12. If it's your first time here, do like, comment, subscribe, and there's 6 extra episodes available on Patreon if you want to join on there and get ahead of the game. So we left it with Tig accusing OP of being a snitch. Jax and him nearly came to blows over it. They locked up that crooked sheriff guy because they don't want him to know anything that's about to go down with everything. What else happened? So she's basically setting OP up. They picked up his family in the middle of the night and they paid his bills off, so it looks like he's disappeared and he received a whole chunk of money. And it's really irresponsible. I don't know why the other sheriff guy, the cleaner one, knows what she's doing, why he hasn't called her out on it. Well, he said something to her. He tried to call her out on it. He didn't really try and call her out on it. He kind of was like saying, you know, what are you doing here? I don't know who has the authority, but she's had him removed from his own office, so now she can basically do what she wants and he can't do anything to stop her. But he really could go and tell Clay and them, because he knows what's going to happen and he could just stop the whole thing, all the bloodshed, whatever. But Tig did a search for like tracking devices, bugs and all that sort of stuff, and they found one in his phone. He's got one in his truck and I think one on his bike as well. So that's just further convinced them that OP's dirty, and it looks like Clay and Tig are about to make some pacts that they're going to kill OP, and if he does, if they do, then it can never come back to the group. So we'll see. I like OP. He's sort of like the nicest one. Yeah, he's not really cut out for it, him and his wife, you know, but by no means should they die. So yeah, that's quite a good episode. I'm kind of worried about where this is going to go from here. Bear with me, I've still got this spine, this slip disc in my back and a little sciatic problem, so if I'm moving around I'm just trying to get comfortable. But yeah, season 1 episode 12, let's go. Complicated. Where is it gonna go? I'm not a fan. I'm just not a fan anymore. Well, I was never a fan, but... Are you waking up alone? Or you got somebody to... scrape at the barrel? Little skaghead. Be strong, girl.
Opie's wired. No way in hell we're gonna be able to separate him from everybody. Everything we're doing.
So, did they leave the wires in there? Put them back in? No, the phone one's definitely not working.
Track on Opie's pickup is working. We're not getting anything from the back or the side.
Check his truck when you can. He might have been smart enough to sweep it.
Claymore wants to see it. Hey.
It's okay. Hey. It's okay.
You're a fascist pig. And what Otto did to you, it's just the tip of the iceberg.
So hard to feel sorry for her. It's like, Otto, you obviously didn't conquer hard enough. She's such a bitch.
I'm just trying to help Bobby
I
here.
get that, but ATF are still kept out Enser's office. You really want to take that risk?
We can do this smart. We set up 2 locations in Oakland, right? We pick up the money from one, we drop off the guns at the other. This way, even if the feds are watching us, they never see guns for money. Maybe they're pissed off because you didn't turn. You and Tig pick up the money, me and Jax drop off the guns.
So, you two go off in this little mission and only one of you is going to come back. I hope not. It's going to be suspicious.
Something wrong?
realize it's not just you.
You got a baby moms.
You have a son.
You don't mind the baby.
You need to think about what we're doing.
The baby was never an issue. The baby was there all the time, and you was quite fine with it until the baby
It's the
moms.
wrong upside of our addiction.
Now you know, baby.
You know what you're doing.
Figured it out, eh?
What am I doing?
Trying to use you
Using me
to break up.
to hurt Jax? Asking me if I still love him, deal with my family.
So
together. That was all about
transparent.
pushing her out of the picture. Why are you playing with people's lives, Gemma?
I'm protecting
Because
you,
zero
innocent.
fucks about that.
Step on a few toes in the meanwhile, so be it.
Jesus, I mean, you really believe that, don't you?
She thinks she's got the right, the divine right.
So what? Putting down that needle for a few weeks somehow gives you the right to judge me?
I can tell you when you're wrong.
Good. Don't worry, okay? We have sheriffs on the street. I have my people staying with you. It'll all be
And the thing is, yeah, if Clay and them will find out tomorrow who the witness is, couldn't they literally hold
I
off?
think this was a bad
But I
idea.
suppose they might not know that.
Yeah, I do. Clay made the deal with the instinct. Oh, no. He saw the nightmare coming.
Mm.
He was smart.
I wonder how he died.
Yeah, Sam Cole's got to change to survive. Clay never walked away from my own guns.
No, strangely.
Your mom wants to take the kids to Funtown and then to dinner.
Yeah, she can take the kids.
That means we'll have the house to ourselves for a while.
Oh no. She looks happy and content for once. Like she's at a happy medium. Got a bad feeling. They're setting it up to make us think that, so maybe there's redemption, there's hope.
Don't shoot this into your eye.
Ava will help our little boys.
What?
Ava will help my little boys.
I know, like, don't be talking about baby Abel, you know.
I want you and your crew to step on both ends. I put a bullet in Alvarez. You drop as many buck packs as you can.
Why in the good Lord's name would I be doing your dirty
Exactly.
work?
Keep the guns. Keep the money. And, this foobar. Let's move our relationship back to monogamous. We'll make the deal. And then you wait for me and my crew are safe and clear.
It's a double cross. It's a double cross, both ends.
Hey, look, I understand. Donna took the truck to get groceries. Checked it. Bud's been ripped out, and Opie's cell is dead.
He's feeling guilty about what we have to do.
But we handle this.
Put an extra team on. We have to keep Opie in one place.
I'm on it.
Come on, man. If you've got any fucking sense about you at all, go and tell the guys them they're being set up. He's dumb. He's not proactive enough. Fucking hell.
She'll never let you be with him. Gemma hates you. She'll do whatever she can to keep you guys apart.
She's got that right.
May as well quit while you're still ahead. Or alive, for that matter.
She wouldn't go that far.
What?
I hate dolls.
I want him to die. Don't kill your own son, you nut job. Opie, watch your back, front, side, left, everything, because your enemy is your friend. Yeah, good, the dolls. Throw the dolls on him. Oh shit.
Shit, thanks, man.
Don't you fucking dare! Don't. He just saved your life. Think a minute.
Let's go.
You're gonna find out tomorrow.
What the hell happened here, sir?
You ain't with us. That's your problem. Close in and kill that motherfucker.
Miners want us dead, mines won't trust us. We lose our customer base. Getting 2 huge beefs.
Broke with no guns.
It looked like you were surprised by it all. And you killed some of their men. What kind of deal do you make where
I'm on my way.
Pick up
you
Wendy.
agree to kill people? Like as part of the agreement to do this double cross. You shoot a couple of their guys.
I'll go pick up my kid.
We need something good right now. Go get him.
See you at the house.
And leave him with these 3, man. These 2.
What the hell is that, man?
It's like the angry black man was even angrier than we thought, huh? All right, definitely double cross.
Oh, so he was deliberately trying to kill you. I thought you lot was playing the part. Like you're taking it.
Yeah, I couldn't. I'm getting pretty shot.
Oh.
Well,
So.
the Niners are that pissed, maybe. They bring their rage to Charlie. I mean, they saw Opie's truck, money drop. Make it ghetto, make it gangster.
Fucking hate this stereotypical bullshit, man. Unfortunately, a lot of it is right.
I've been looking all over for you.
It's so easy to frame someone
What the hell you doing in here?
because you just so predictable.
I got some information. And if I give it to you, then I'm betraying my badge. And if I don't,
Someone's gonna die.
someone can get hurt.
What do you need to tell me, son?
Just tell him because you're gonna have a lot of shit on your chest.
Insidious move yet?
You have to be more specific.
And you're being very slow about telling someone anyway. Bloody hell, it could have all just went down. Oh, look at that baby. That baby would have been home long time. His chubby little cheeks.
My boss is pulling the plug in German.
What about Opie?
Hope he made his own bed.
Then Clay thinks you're in the bed with him. Okay? You cannot pull a detail off him.
It's out of my hands.
I hate her.
We had something though.
No, bitch. I regret it.
Hey, well, how you doing, man?
Oh, Lowell does look good. I just noticed. Let them know. Know yourself, Porciclart. Play your positions. This is mine. Oh, don't put her in her place for that. Don't piss me off, Jax, yeah? Because there's so many things going on here that you don't even know about.
I'm just saying we should be cool with whatever this is around her, you know?
Whatever this is?
Mhm.
You know what I mean.
No.
No, I don't.
Tara.
No!
You want the best of both worlds. A bit much though, love. Calm down.
Tara.
Don't let everyone know that you're upset.
Thanks for coming.
Nothing can happen with him, with his kids, man. Not no crazy American drive. No, they weren't talking about a drive-by with him. They weren't. You know he's got his kids with him and everything as well, so...
Love you, kids.
You coming right home?
Why don't you just stay? I can take the kids home, put them in bed.
You sure?
Yeah.
We got some cash. Gemma needs powder for the dishwasher. Love you. Night, baby.
Shit. You dumb fox. And this is it hasn't even happened and I know already. And this is a massive freaking reason for people not taking the law into their own hands. Oh my god. He's gonna light up the wrong vehicle and then tomorrow find out it weren't even OP. Shouldn't take you a minute to realise that's a woman in the car, you dick. Oh man. Oh, Clay. You're gonna be just too late.
What's going on? Sorry to bother you on this occasion, but I got some information that probably shouldn't wait. Hey, listen. It's about that 9 of 9 shit.
Speak!
It's about Opie. The bum. I know ATF's hanging him out as a rat. But that ain't the case. He's not working for them. The wires anymore. Not to his knowledge. The witness is somebody that lived in the building where Hefner got killed. That's who found him on the others. What do you mean? Hale. He's been privy to all. I appreciate it.
You're wasting time.
Tell Jackson play this boys. Yeah.
He's not gonna fucking answer. Oh man. Where's his phone? On his bike.
Who is it?
Fucked up massively. This is so dumb. This is fucking treacherous, man.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
You dickhead. You fucking got a nerve turning up here, cunt. And the ATF bitch gives 0 fucks. If it's that bitch, I swear.
This blood's on you.
Back off, Gil.
I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry.
What a fucking idiot. I'm so annoyed. It's just like, oh.
How's Opie doing?
And now you're gonna leave him to be comforted by his junkie ex. What happened to the one family that just really weren't committed to the life and kind of wanted out? She wanted out, and you know, he just felt obligated to the club. And look what the club gives you. That's his boy. That's his daughter-in-law. You think Clay is... Oh, that's what I'm saying. The treachery. The fucking treachery, man. Jax, man, don't put your dick in this crank infested crutch. Have you not got any like limit or no or loyalty, or is every girl can get it? Jesus Christ. That's terrible, man. You know when you can just see the fuck up, like I said last time, all the puzzle pieces, and it's like you're adding 1 to 1, you're getting 5. It's like, look, why did that sheriff guy take so long to speak to somebody? It's like, are you that dumb? Just speak to the other guy earlier. As soon as you told him, he went straight to Clay. So why have you got to stay on it all a day or day and a half or whatever? It's really irritating. The blood is also on his hands because he knew what was going on. But that ACF bitch, you're going to come up here and say sorry. Oh, so annoyed. So annoyed. Whew. I'm going to take a hot minute. I'm going to take a break. And I'm going to come back in and watch episode 13 because I need to know how this season is going to round off. Emotional. I'm surprised I didn't actually cry on this one. I'm so mad that it's anger and not sadness. But yeah, come back. Mouth is dry. Come back, catch me on the other side. Yeah, we'll be back on 13 shortly. But like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace and love. Bye.